Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where, as you know, I unbox and review all things budget tech. Now, I have currently been in the market for a budget microphone that I can use to maybe replace my current headset slash microphone combo that I'm using to record all my audio, and luckily enough, I found this one here from TONOR. I've spent a couple days with this, even use it in one of my Zoom meetings for work, and, well, stay a while, listen, and let's get started. So, what's in the box? First up is the USB-C power cable, the warranty card, the instruction booklet, the pop filter, the tripod stand, and the mic itself. Now let's go ahead and just take a closer look at the microphone itself. It is painted black with silver trim around the microphone area. The gold accented TONOR logo is a nice contrast to the colors as well. Here is a shock mount already installed on the tripod. You can use a different mount if you would like. Everything here is detachable. Now let's put on the pop filter like so, and your microphone setup is complete. So here I've switched to recording on the microphone from my headset slash microphone combo in hopes you all can hear the difference in the audio. Now I have used this microphone consistently to speak with others. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I used this on my one-day Zoom meeting for work. My coworkers did not have any issues hearing me and did not need to adjust any volume levels on my end. Now, obviously, it does depend on how far this microphone is from your mouth, so let's go ahead and give this a quick test. Currently, this microphone is sitting about 10 inches away from my face. Now I'll go ahead and move this here about 2 feet away and see how the audio comes through. I'm not going to change the volume of my voice here. Hopefully it still gets picked up. Alright, now that it is 2 feet away, let's continue my review. Now, a couple of things that I liked about this budget microphone is that it is truly a plug-and-play microphone. All you need to do is plug it in and boom, you are good to go start recording. A big plus is that it comes with everything you need as well, such as the pop filter, the shock mount, and the tripod. A lot of other microphones do not come with these accessories and you do need to buy them separately. Another thing that I liked is the design and color scheme. It looks really nice and simple, not flashy or anything like that, and the black, silver, and gold colors all complement themselves, leading to a great, simple looking microphone. For this next part, I went ahead and moved the microphone back about 10 inches away from my face. Now, one thing I would have liked to see on this budget microphone is an on-off button or switch. I found that having to unplug and plug it back in, although it didn't take too much time, it still felt a little unnecessary when a button or switch could have been included. Another thing that's not necessarily a bad thing is that I found that this sounds best when paired with an audio recording software such as Audacity, since you can just adjust many options to make your voice sound cleaner and more professional. Now, it may just be me, but I did notice a slight difference in audio when I switched from my headset microphone combo to just using the microphone. Hopefully you all could hear it as well. Now, it's not a big deal, at least to me it isn't, and like I mentioned, using audio software would greatly enhance the sound. Now, this microphone is currently going for $36.99 with a $6 coupon on Amazon, so it is in the budget price range of $30. This microphone is a great beginner microphone for those who want to venture into the realm of podcasting, audio recording, or even using this for your YouTube videos. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, please leave a like or comment or even subscribe for more budget tech content. I'll see you all in the next one.